Welcome to From Broke to Billionaire, a comprehensive guide to building wealth. In today's episode, we'll embark on a detailed journey that outlines the practical steps and strategies to transform your financial situation from zero to billionaire status. This podcast is designed to provide you with a step-by-step roadmap, including actionable milestones and detailed guidance to keep you engaged and inspired. So grab your notebook, sit back, and let's dive in. Establishing a strong foundation. Every journey to financial success begins with a strong foundation. This means adopting the right mindset, setting achievable goals, and establishing solid financial habits. Step 1. Spend a day creating a vision board with specific financial goals. Visualize your future, including the lifestyle you want and the wealth you aim to achieve. For example, you might want to see yourself owning a home, traveling frequently, or running a successful business. Step 2. Break these goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term milestones. Write them down and keep them visible. This could be on your wall, in a journal, or as your phone wallpaper. Step 3. Commit to lifelong learning. Read at least one book per month on personal finance, entrepreneurship, or self-development. Some recommended reads include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Consider how Bill Gates, an avid reader, attributes much of his success to his habit of reading widely and deeply. Step 4. Develop resilience by viewing failures as learning opportunities. Keep a journal to reflect on setbacks and how you overcame them. Review these reflections weekly to track your growth. Remember how Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, only to return and lead it to unprecedented success. Step 5. Use budgeting tools like Mint or YNAB to track your income and expenses. Create a budget that allocates funds towards savings, investments, and essentials. Review your budget weekly and adjust as necessary. Oprah Winfrey often speaks about the importance of managing money wisely and the power of disciplined savings. Step 6. Build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start by saving a small amount, such as £100 per month, and gradually increase this as your income grows. Aim to achieve this milestone within 1 year. Building multiple income streams. Diversifying your income streams is a key strategy to accelerate wealth creation. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to start and expand your income streams. Step 7. Begin with an initial investment of £500 to £1,000 in a diversified portfolio. Use beginner-friendly platforms like eToro or Robinhood. Set up an automatic transfer to invest a fixed amount every month. Warren Buffett began investing in stocks at a young age and attributes his wealth to disciplined investing and patience. Step 8. Educate yourself continuously on market trends. Subscribe to financial newsletters, follow market analysts on social media, and take online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy. Step 9. Review your portfolio quarterly to rebalance and adjust based on performance and market trends. Use tools like Morningstar to track your investments. Step 10. Save for a down payment to purchase your first rental property within 2 to 3 years. Research potential locations, rental demand, and financing options. Attend local real estate investment meetings to network and learn from experienced investors. Donald Bren, one of the wealthiest real estate investors, started small and gradually expanded his portfolio. Step 11. Aim to acquire a new property every 3 to 5 years. Focus on areas with high rental demand and potential for appreciation. Consider multifamily properties to maximize rental income. Step 12. Explore real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise for lower entry barriers. Diversify your real estate investments by participating in different types of projects. Step 13. Identify a niche market and launch an e-commerce store using Shopify or Etsy. Start with a small inventory and scale based on demand. Research your niche thoroughly and create a solid business plan. Jeff Bezos started Amazon as an online bookstore before expanding into the global giant it is today. Step 14. Create digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or membership sites. Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Market your products through social media, blogs, and email newsletters. Step 15. Diversify your income streams by monetizing blogs, YouTube channels, or podcasts through ads and affiliate marketing. Consistently produce high-quality content to attract and retain an audience. Smart financial management. Effective financial management is essential for sustaining and growing your wealth. Let's delve into the steps you need to take to manage your finances wisely. Step 16. Create a debt repayment plan. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first using the avalanche method, where you pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, or the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins. Suze Orman, a renowned financial advisor, often highlights the importance of tackling high-interest debt aggressively. Step 17. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's for investment purposes. Use credit responsibly and monitor your credit score regularly with services like Experian or Equifax. Step 18. Resist lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, maintain a modest lifestyle and invest the surplus. Keep track of your spending habits and make conscious decisions to save rather than splurge. Mark Zuckerberg is known for living a relatively modest lifestyle despite his immense wealth. Step 19. Use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Adjust these percentages as needed to align with your financial goals. Step 20. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This ensures consistent contributions without relying on manual intervention. Step 21. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan to stay on track with your goals. Schedule monthly check-ins to assess your progress and make necessary adjustments. Expanding your network. Building a strong network and seeking mentorship can significantly accelerate your journey to wealth. Here's how you can effectively expand your connections. Sound of people chatting. 1. Networking. Step 22. Attend industry events, conferences, and seminars. Use platforms like Eventbrite to find relevant gatherings. Be proactive in introducing yourself and exchanging contact information. Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, is known for his networking skills and strong industry connections. Step 23. Join professional associations and online communities on LinkedIn or Reddit. Engage actively, share valuable insights, and build relationships with like-minded individuals. Sound of a handshake. 2. Mentorship. Step 24. Identify potential mentors in your field. Reach out with a clear request for mentorship, highlighting what you can offer in return. Be genuine and respectful in your approach. Mark Cuban credits much of his early success to the mentors who guided him. Step 25. Schedule regular meetings with your mentor to discuss progress, challenges, and strategies. Set specific goals for each session and follow up on action items. Holistic lifestyle and Stoicism. A holistic lifestyle and Stoicism can play a significant role in maintaining your well-being and focus on your journey to wealth. Let's explore how these philosophies can enhance your life. Sound of calming music. 1. Holistic health. Step 26. Prioritize physical health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep. Establish a daily routine that includes at least 30 minutes of physical activity and meal planning. Tony Robbins, a successful entrepreneur and motivational speaker, emphasizes the importance of physical health in achieving overall success. Step 27. Focus on mental well-being by practicing mindfulness, meditation, and stress management techniques. Apps like Headspace or Calm can help you get started. Sound of deep breathing. 2. Stoicism. Step 28. Embrace Stoic principles such as focusing on what you can control and accepting what you cannot. Read works by Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca to deepen your understanding. Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Workweek, often discusses how Stoicism has helped him in his personal and professional life. Step 29. Practice daily reflections. At the end of each day, review your actions and thoughts to ensure they align with your values and goals. Use a journal to record your reflections and progress. Giving back, philanthropy, and social impact not only benefit society but also enrich your journey to wealth. Let's explore how you can make a difference and leave a lasting legacy. Sound of applause. 1. Charitable contributions. Step 30. Identify causes you're passionate about. Use resources like Charity Navigator to ensure your donations are impactful. Research and choose organizations that align with your values. Michael Bloomberg, former mayor of New York City, has donated billions to various causes, including public health, education, and the arts. Step 31. Commit to donating a percentage of your income. Start with 1 to 2% and gradually increase your contributions as your wealth grows. Set up recurring donations to support your chosen causes consistently. Sound of coins clinking 2, volunteering and mentorship. Step 32. Dedicate time each month to volunteer at local organizations or mentor aspiring entrepreneurs. Use platforms like Volunteer Match to find opportunities that match your skills and interests. Step 33. Start or support community projects that create lasting impact. For example, launch a scholarship fund, support a local school, or create a community garden. LeBron James has invested in education through his foundation, providing scholarships and building schools. Sound of cheering. 3. Social impact investments. Step 34. Allocate a portion of your investment portfolio to social impact projects. Platforms like Swell Investing focus on socially responsible investments. Research and choose projects that align with your values. Step 35. Regularly review the impact of your investments and adjust your strategy to maximize positive outcomes. Use impact measurement tools to assess the social and environmental benefits of your investments. Conclusion. Becoming a billionaire is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating value, continuously learning, and giving back. By adopting the right mindset, building multiple income streams, maintaining financial discipline, networking, living a holistic lifestyle, embracing Stoicism, and giving back, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Outro music fades in. Thank you for tuning in to From Broke to Billionaire, a comprehensive guide to building wealth. Remember to subscribe and stay updated with our latest episodes for more insights and strategies to achieve financial freedom. Until next time, keep striving for success. Outro music fades out.